Hello everyone, welcome to part 126 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the integration of the PayPal. We are integrating this PayPal for our Laravel e-commerce website, Laravel 11 e-commerce website that we are making with the Laravel and MongoDB. Okay, so let's continue the process that we have started in the last part. And in this part, see, first thing is that you are required to download this PayPal controller. This is the very useful PayPal controller, and we have updated this PayPal controller as per the instructions given from the Omni channel that we have downloaded in the last part. You have seen that we have installed one package, and that package is the OmniPay. So the OmniPay is the package name that we have downloaded in the last part, and there are some of the instructions and the code that you can find within the PayPal controller that you can download from the website SiteMakers.in after following some free simple steps. Okay, so you are required to log in here. First of all, I will tell you that there are few simple steps that you can find under video. You are just required to take these 6 steps to get this PayPal controller. That will make your task really easy to integrate the PayPal. Okay, so just you are required to subscribe the YouTube channel and give 5-star rating to this here. Okay, and give 5-star rating to the site after installing the SiteMakers app as well. And whether you are having the Android or iPhone, you are just required to download, and you are required to install and give the rating. Okay, and you are just required to like the Facebook page and join the Facebook group and like and comment on this Laravel 11 video. So these are the steps that will not take much time. After that, just email me with the screenshots that you will take side by side while following these 6 steps. After that, you will send this to this email ID. I will send you the instructions and the credentials to download this PayPal controller. You will also get further free scripts as well. Okay, not only PayPal controller, but also you will get the Laravel 10, Laravel 11 e-commerce templates free of cost, and that if otherwise it will cost you really like you may require to pay at least $50 or in 3000 4000 INR. Okay, so you will get it free. So now we will follow the instructions under video, further instructions that you can follow, so that we can able to integrate the PayPal. But first of all, I am going to download this one. You are just required to open this website SiteMakers.in and click on login, and I will provide you the credentials after you take those free steps. And you are just required to log in to the website and click on download here at the top. Once you will click on download, then you will reach at down and close this pop-up, and here you can see there is the link to download the various things that you can able to download. Few of the things you can able to download, and here you can see the at last download PayPal controller to integrate PayPal payment gateway for Laravel website. You are just required to download this one, and here you will get one file that you can open here in your Sublime. So here, so I will simply unzip this file, and you will get this file, and that file, sorry, here, where it gone, I am going to search for this file, PayPal controller. Okay, so here is file. Okay, so I am going to move this file here, and here you can able to see the complete functions: PayPal function, pay function, success function, error function, everything is there. So you will get really big help after downloading this file. Okay, so now we are going to modify our own PayPal controller that we have created in the last part. We will just modify, I'm just going to copy and will replace this one with this. Okay, so and I'm going to close this one, and here the few things that we are required to do here. Just the thing is that we will use here the underscore ID instead of ID. Okay, only this thing we are required to update, so rest of the things will remain the same. And now we are going to follow the further steps that you can find under video. Here we are going to update the PayPal blade file with proper wording and payment form. So I'm going to open the paper blade file once again, and here I'm going to replace this with this one that will have the proper wording as well as the PayPal payment form that we are going to use. Okay, so now I'm going to update this PayPal controller and make sure that all these classes are intact. Okay, these classes are really important, and make sure that we able to use all these classes. Okay, like this. Okay, so after that we need to make sure that the construct function must be having all these okay, it's already there. And now we can move further and we'll create this pay function that is also is here. Okay, and after that we are going to add this success function as well, that is also here. Okay, and after that we will add the error function that is also here. Okay, so you will get so many things. And now we are going to create the route. Okay, so see, we will redirect the user to the success page if the payment is successful. Otherwise we can redirect the user to the error page. Okay, so these are the routes that we are going to use. Okay, and after that you can see that we are going to make this PayPal Sandbox account, and in which we are going to create the app. But first of all, okay, so this one we will modify later. But now see, we are required to create the Sandbox testing account in developers.paypal.com. You are required to open this link, and you are required to log in if you are having the credential. Okay, if you have already created, otherwise click on sign up. And there is the small form that you are required to fill. You are required to register. Okay, so I will click on sign up once again. So here you can see the account selection. If you are having the business account, if you are having some business, and then you can create this one. Otherwise you can create the individual account. Okay, then click on next. Then you are just required to uh, add your email, whatever email is the, and then you can follow the instructions that will be there. Okay, so I will share the video under description. I will share the video link that you can follow to create the Sandbox PayPal account. So that you can able to create that Sandbox PayPal account. Okay, easy, in a easy way. And after creating the account, then you are required to log in to that. Okay, so I'm going to log in to my Sandbox PayPal account, and will create the app. I'm going to log in to my own account. Okay, so I am going to use stack developer ID. So I'm going to log in with this account. And here you can see that I am able to log into my Sandbox account that I have created. So you are required to click on this app and credentials at the top. I have already created the SiteMakers and Stack developers. Okay, so you can able to create the new app from here. Okay, click on create app, and then just simply give the app name, whatever the app name you want to give. Okay, like if you want to give some like ecom app. Okay, any name you can give. Here merchant and the Sandbox business account, you can keep it like this, and can click on create app. Okay, so it will create the app here, and will provide you the credentials that you are going to use in your env file. Okay, so here see, so there are three things that we are going to add in env file. I'm going to open the env file here, .env. So here we are going to add these three things at the bottom. Here you can see that we have already added PayPal client ID, PayPal client secret, and PayPal currency. So you will get these three things. Okay, so here you see client ID, secret key, as well as the client ID, secret key, and see PayPal currency, you will keep it as USD. Okay, if you want any other currency, then you can check the PayPal currencies and can add. Okay, so here this I have already created PayPal client ID and PayPal client secret that I have copied from here. So now I am going to try to make the payment with PayPal Sandbox. Okay, so here I will go back to the checkout page first of all, and there is some syntax error. We are going to check what is the syntax error here. Okay, so this is semicolon. So now we will try once again. We are going to select the PayPal here and agree to terms and condition. Click on place order. See, now it is looking fine. Okay, your order has been placed. Your order ID is this one, and grand total is 1350. That is the 16.27 USD. Please make payment to confirm your order. So I'm going to click on pay with PayPal, and you can see that we have redirected to the sandbox.paypal.com. That is the test mode of PayPal environment, and you can see that you can also pay with credit or debit card, or you can log into the to your PayPal account to make the payment. So I will click on pay with credit or debit, and here you can see the PayPal debit or credit card has form has come up, and you can able to download, you can able to give the details here, your credit card details, and can continue. And here you can see the amount is also coming here. Okay, so it's working fine, and you can able to make the payment like this. Okay, so you can able to integrate this PayPal at your end, and if you will find any trouble you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.